You might think of your home as a safe haven, but sometimes even the coziest places can hide unwanted guests. Bed bugs, tiny, elusive, and more common than you might think. The National Pest Management Association is giving you a glimpse into the lives of these home invaders. Pay close attention because bed bugs are among the toughest pests to treat. You can't DIY your way out of an infestation. We worked with experts to develop a model living room and bedroom, complete with everything you'd find in your home. To you, it's a picture-perfect home. To bedbugs, it's the perfect hiding place. We're documenting how bedbugs hitchhike into your home, where they hide, and how these hiding spots go way beyond just your bed. The reason this project is so important, and one of the reasons why we wanted to show you both a bedroom as well as a living room, is to illustrate all the places where bedbugs could hide. From mattress seams to furniture cushions and even wall decorations, making them hard to track down. Bedbugs typically feed at night, but they can show up anytime and anywhere. In fact, they detect the carbon dioxide that you exhale, taking just minutes to latch onto your skin and feed on your blood. The bite itself is painless. It's the allergic reaction that causes the problems. Things like redness, itching, and even swelling. You'll usually see bites appear in patterns or clusters, but some people don't react at all. After feeding, bedbugs mate and lay eggs in hidden places around your home. One bedbug can lay up to 500 eggs in its lifetime. And they're incredibly hardy, surviving months without eating and withstanding extreme temperatures. Some of the telltale signs of an infestation are dark spots, molted skin, or eggs. If you see any of those, or a bedbug itself, call a qualified pest professional right away. Bedbugs are especially good hitchhikers. We saw that the bedbugs really did prefer this model suitcase. They spent a lot of time exploring the nooks and crannies in this suitcase. If you were to stay in an infested room, bedbugs may come out, feed on your blood, and then seek a hiding spot. If that hiding spot happens to be a suitcase, well, you might just bring those bedbugs home with you. You can see how they've spread all over the model. Now just imagine what they can do in your home, a hotel room, or even places like a movie theater or a college dorm. A professional has the training and the tools to fully uncover the extent of the infestation and the targeted treatments to send bedbugs packing. To learn how to protect your home, head to bedbugsexposed.pestworld.org.